Hey everyone, I am Pradeep Rawat and welcome to my channel. I am on a mission to grow my skills, build my career, and eventually build real wealth. And I want you to take it along with me. So now you guys might thinking that why this channel has been created. So I'm not already super successful and I'm not claiming to be an expert. I'm still on my journey, learning, testing, and building side hustles and trying to invest smarter. That is exactly why I started this channel to document my progress, share what I am learning in tech, business, and investing, and hopefully help you to avoid the same mistakes which I have been done. So on this channel, what you can expect. So I will be talking about building in-demand skills for career growth, entrepreneurship, whether it is freelancing, starting a brand, or creating digital products, investing including stocks, real estate, and other opportunities, and also include the personality development covering communication skill, confidence building, and mindset. I will be sharing everything honestly, the challenges and the wins and the lesson which has been done with me. Now the other question arises in your mind that why to follow me. So if you are someone who is also trying to figure out your path and or if you want to see like what really works in growing a career and building wealth from scratch, then you will probably find this channel helpful and we will learn together. So if you are interested in growing your skills, your career, and your finances along with me, then hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey from day one. Let's do this together. Thanks for watching. I'm excited to get started and see you in the next video.